Are you remodeling your home, cleaning your garage, or managing a construction site? You need a reliable way to handle waste and debris. That's where SkyHook LLC comes in. At SkyHook LLC, we specialize in dumpster rentals catering to your needs. Whether it's a small home project or a large construction job, we have the perfect dumpster for you. Our process is simple. Call us, choose your dumpster size, and schedule a delivery. We pride ourselves on punctuality and efficiency. Our dumpsters are perfect for a variety of materials, construction debris, household junk, yard waste, and much more. With SkyHook LLC, disposal is hassle-free. And once you're done, just let us know. We'll come and take it away, ensuring your waste is disposed of responsibly. SkyHook LLC is your partner in keeping your space clean and clutter-free. Visit us online at skyhookllc.com/dumpster-rental-hoover-al or call us at 205-637-7747 to learn more and schedule your dumpster rental today.